Why cheating destroys relationships and trust more than you think. In a world where relationships are built on love, trust, and commitment, nothing shakes the foundation more than infidelity. It is a betrayal that leaves emotional scars, shatters confidence, and often leads to irreversible damage. While some justify cheating as a momentary lapse in judgment or an escape from problems, the reality is that sex outside the relationship carries devastating consequences. 1. Breaks trust beyond repair. Trust is not just a word. It is the invisible glue that holds a relationship together. When one partner cheats, the trust they spent years building crumbles in seconds. Even if the couple tries to mend the relationship, the betrayed partner often struggles to believe in their partner's words and actions again. Suspicion creeps in, and every action is questioned, making true healing almost impossible. 2. Causes deep emotional pain. Infidelity does not just hurt. It leaves wounds that take years to heal. The betrayed partner experiences anger, sadness, confusion, and even depression. They may constantly replay moments in their head, wondering why they were not enough. The emotional turmoil can lead to sleepless nights, loss of appetite, and even physical symptoms of stress. 3. Ruins intimacy and connection. A strong relationship is built on emotional and physical intimacy. When someone cheats, it creates a barrier between the couple. The betrayed partner may feel distant and unable to connect with their partner again. Even if they try to rebuild intimacy, doubts and insecurities can prevent them from ever feeling truly comfortable again. 4. Destroys self-esteem. Many people assume that only the betrayed partner suffers, but the reality is that both individuals experience a loss of self-worth. The betrayed partner often wonders if they were not attractive or interesting enough, while the cheating partner may feel ashamed of their actions. This can lead to a toxic cycle of guilt, blame, and low self-confidence. 5. Leads to guilt and regret. Cheating might seem thrilling in the moment, but once reality sets in, guilt and regret often follow. The unfaithful partner realizes they have hurt someone who trusted them. Even if the betrayal remains a secret, the weight of dishonesty can lead to emotional distress, making it harder to maintain a happy and healthy relationship. 6. Harms family and children. Infidelity does not just affect the couple. It affects everyone around them, especially children. When a relationship falls apart due to cheating, children experience confusion, sadness, and even anger. They may struggle to understand why their parents are separating or why the home environment has changed. The emotional scars of a broken family can impact them for life. 7. Invites lies and deception. Once cheating begins, so does a web of lies. The cheating partner has to cover their tracks, create excuses, and deceive their loved one. What starts as one lie soon turns into many, and before they know it, they are living a double life. Eventually, the truth comes out, and when it does, the damage is far worse than if they had been honest from the start. 8. Increases the risk of STDs and unwanted pregnancies. Sex outside the relationship is not just a betrayal of trust. It is a serious health risk. Unprotected encounters can lead to sexually transmitted diseases, which can unknowingly be passed to the innocent partner. Additionally, unwanted pregnancies can create complex situations that bring lifelong consequences for everyone involved. 9. Legal and financial consequences. Cheating does not only hurt emotionally, it can have real-world consequences. If a marriage ends due to infidelity, legal battles over divorce, alimony, and child custody can follow. The cheating partner may lose financial stability, access to their children, and even their reputation. What seemed like a secret affair can quickly turn into a costly mistake. 10. Prevents true love and commitment. A relationship is meant to be a partnership where both individuals grow together. Cheating prevents that from happening. Instead of experiencing the beauty of deep love and commitment, the cheating partner ends up chasing short-term pleasure while sacrificing something meaningful. In the end, they are left feeling empty, realizing they destroyed something they could never replace. Final thoughts. Infidelity is never just about a single mistake. It has ripple effects that destroy trust, love, and happiness. While some believe they can keep their actions hidden, the truth always finds a way to surface. Cheating does not just impact the relationship. It affects mental health, self-esteem, and even the well-being of children and families. The key to a strong relationship is honesty, communication, and mutual respect. If issues arise, the best approach is to work through them together rather than seek comfort elsewhere. When trust is preserved, relationships flourish, and true love becomes unbreakable. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.